Hey guys, I'm Nadine, the founder of Throdle, and today I'm here with our team member, Chris. Now for those of you who haven't seen it, check out our video on his R33 from last year. But Chris, what have you done to it? There's so many changes.
There are a lot of changes. The first thing everybody's gonna notice is the Kure livery. Kure livery was a race back in the Japanese Grand Touring back in I think mid-90s. They had a sister car everybody knows more popular about, but I did this one because it fits. I just kind of like it, nobody's ever done it. We got new rotors from DBA, front and back, carbon fiber extensions on the side skirts. We have the brand new BFGoodrich Phenom tires.
Oh, you were waiting for those last year. I remember that. You're one of the first ones in the States to get them.
We have the Seibon hood in the front. The car has a full ceramic protection now, so now I don't have to worry about hitting anything.
So Chris, this is right-hand drive, right?
That's correct.
All right, let's take a look.
So what we did on the inside is we did the NISMO seat covers, Grady steering wheel, and NISMO floor mats. So I'm just trying to make this car more NISMO. We actually redid the headliner. Last year it was gray, now it's black. And we replaced all the bits and pieces to black trim instead of the gray.
Have you done any performance upgrades to it?
So yes, so recently I did the same suspension Josh with the Supra has. It's a yellow speed coilovers. I want to say they're a fairly new company, but they have a booth this year at SEMA. They're going to get popular. I also got an HKS exhaust. The exhaust on it before, we had no idea what it was. It just says Jasmine on it, which is just kind of like a Japanese compliance thing. I think it was an old Grady, we don't know, but we did the HKS Hi-Power. A little quieter and a lot more, just more efficient. GTR end plate stickers, yes. Those little carbon fiber stickers you see on the side of the GTR, these are stickers. I didn't know they were, but they were $200 stickers from Nissan, but they're on there now.
Thanks, Chris, for showing us your car. We're so glad to have you on the Throdle app. If you guys want to find out more about him and his car, check him out on
that @token_Nissan. Stay tuned, because next year we're starting a whole engine outsert build on it, so that's gonna be exciting.
And you can also check out his Nissan pal on the Throdle app too. So thanks for joining us with Throdle's Feeling Connections and Driving Experience.